Welcome back to another video, guys. For those that are new, I'm Brittney and welcome to my channel. So before we get into the video, I want to cheers with you guys because I promised myself I would do that before every video, or at least during a video. So here it is. I'm gonna be cheersing to getting 500 subscribers by my birthday. For those that don't know when my birthday is, it's in August, and I feel like that's a pretty good goal. So cheers to that. So you guys are probably wondering why I'm kneeling on the ground, and it's because I am going to be reorganizing my closet today. Some might say it is organized, which right now it actually looks really organized for some reason. But it's not good enough for me. Going forward, I feel like my closet has never been organized, really. When it comes to the color coordination, I feel like yes, I have colors in the same places, but going from left to right, I feel like it has never been like that, and I just want it to be more organized. So that's what I'll be doing today. So if you like these sort of videos, then stick around for this one. But before we get started, remember to like and subscribe so that we can reach our goal. But anyways, let's get into the video. I did some research on this because I never knew where to actually start. So I wrote it down on my handy dandy little notepad here. So what I'm going to be doing is going from basically left to right. And on the left side, well, okay, before I get too ahead of myself here, I want to show you guys how it kind of already is. So on the far side, on the far left side, I have all my dresses and everything. Some dresses hung up, and obviously I have all my sweaters, long sleeves hung up in between. But then on the far right side is all my jackets. As of right now, I don't really know how if I'm just going to keep jackets and dresses on their separate side, or I'm going to mix them in with the clothing. I guess we're just going to have to see while we do this, just because having the dresses and jackets on each side might throw off like the color coordination to me in my head, so I might have to mix it in with each color that it is. But anyways, this is how I'm going to organize my closet. So on the left side will be my pinks, then my blues, then my greens, then my tans, browns, pale grays, whites, dark grays, blacks, and that would be it. So it seems like a lot, but thank goodness everything is kind of already in each section. I just have to kind of go through each section and figure out which one's the lightest to darkest. I feel like that's going to be the most challenging because they are all different shades. But I'm ready to get into it. So let's start. Oh, my knees. God. Whew. Okay, I think first thing is first, I need to take out everything. And then we can just start fresh that way. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, finished clearing out everything. Over here is where I keep my track pants and all that fun stuff. Honestly, you don't need this bar anymore, but it's still here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and organize it. So the first thing I said was pink. So let me get all my pink stuff real quick. And I'm pretty sure they're all in order. Yeah, okay. Organize my pinks already. You know what, I might just go ahead and put the dresses with it also, just because I feel like if I have them just on the sides, it's just gonna throw me off. So I feel like the hard part about like organizing a closet is that it's not like a solid color, you know. It has like a little bit of yellow, a little bit of blue. Like, what do you do with that? Like, what do you do with that, to be completely honest? Anyways, pink is done. Now I said blues. Let me go try to find my blues. Okay, let me show you what my bed looks like right now. This is everything, the whole pile of clothes, everything, just all over my bed. So that's what I'm working with right now. So back over there. I said blues. Whew. Now I need to just organize it a bit, which I think is pretty much organized. I would say. Actually, I think I'll just switch these two. It's like solid. This is darker. Yeah. This is lighter. Yeah. Reddest to dark. Okay. Blues is done. Greens. I don't have that much green. Where is it now? Actually, let me figure out dresses. I do have a blue dress in here. Is that it? I think so. Okay. So this is my blue dress that I have. It's like a navy blue. My mom gave it to me. Think about there, right? Or it kind of looks black also, but I think it is a blue. Now time, actually no, I have coats also. I have this bad boy that is also here. It's a blue. I'll put the jackets in at the end or something. But yeah, that looks good enough. Blue. I said green was next. Where's my greens now? Organizing this makes me mean I could take off the old hangers, even though I still haven't done that, and put on the new ones. So that's exciting. Finally get everything on the same page, using the same hangers here. So where is my blue? I mean my greens. Let me see if I missed anything. Oh, this is a blue. On the next blue. Darker. Barely wear this. It's my my school's jacket that I got, like a varsity jacket from college. Got those. It's pretty cool. It's just so big and thick that I barely wear it, but I need to wear it more often. Okay, cool. And then tans and browns. So this is what I want to do. I want to keep my pinks, my blues, my greens, my tans, and my browns on this side of the hanger, and then everything else on this side of the hanger, just because all these colors that I'm putting on this side is not much anyways. So, because I do own a lot of black clothing. Here we go. Here's my browns and my tans. So this is more like a tan color. Keep that front, and then this, yep, that, and the brown. I wonder if I have any more. Pale grays, okay. My pale grays are like my light grays. This is the light grayish thing. Let me get all my grays out here. Actually, this is like almost like a tan color. So let me put that here. There we go. Yeah, a little better, I think. Not really sure. Okay, this is all of my grays. So let's see what goes in the light gray category and dark gray. I think these are like more dark grayish. I'm gonna put them over here. This for sure is dark gray. Okay, cool. Now time for the whites. Whites. Oh god. This is gonna be interesting. Okay, so I have a whole bunch of whites. My dress here. Oh, I need to switch the hanger. I'm giving away these hangers because I just don't use them anymore. Sorry, I feel like I'm just talking to myself the whole time. This should be like a better video, I feel like. Okay, my whites. This one's at the back for sure because it's definitely just white. This one is more like an off-white kind of thing got going here, just because I feel like it's just dirty Or maybe it's just that's how it is. But it kind of needs to be at the front just because it's very like off-white-ish. Maybe at the front. This looks so different. Anyways, almost there. How does it look so far? You guys like it? Nope. Maybe I can keep my light grays on this side also. And then start white fresh. But yeah, how do you guys like this closet so far? Is it coming along nicely? Does it look better from before? I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. And if this is just a boring video, if you guys are still watching, that is. So now time for my blacks, which is majority of my closet. So this should be fun. First, gonna start off with these dresses over here. Fun fact or fun little info. My mom actually gave me this dress. This one used to be my mom's. I want to wear it somewhere, but I just have nowhere to wear it to right now. So, plus it's like, I guess back then they had like padding for your chest area, and my chest area is not that big, so like it kind of just swallows me in that area, but it's fine. One day, right? One day. And these are all just plain black dresses. Actually, I should probably push that one over. Again, majority of these is my mom's. All my mom's dresses, basically. This is another one that's just super simple. Shows off the arms, kind of like shows your figure, and then comes out loose at the end. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then this one is probably my favorite. It's just so stretchy and like so like frilly. I love this one. I feel like closets are just such a open kind of thing, because like some people might have thought like at the beginning my closet was very organized, which I can't lie, it kind of was. It's just not how I wanted it to be, type of thing, if you know what I mean. This is like pretty heavy. I feel like this is a workout, you know what I mean? Like, anyone else get a workout when they lift their clothes like this? Or is it just me? Because it feels like a whole workout. And then my actual jacket. That will go at the back here. Yay! Yay! Alrighty guys, so that is the end of this video, basically. I'm sorry it was like not really entertaining, really boring, but it's something that I really wanted and needed to do with my life, just to feel a little more organized. But I honestly don't really know how I feel about this. Maybe it'll just take me a while to adjust to everything, but yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!